Wow, I am touching a baby tortoise. It's actually 127 years old. Wow, this is, oh my god, I'm holding a snake. It's quite slimy. Oh, shika. A very warm welcome to you and thank you for joining me on a thrilling experience on Where is Vivienne. I am Vivienne Sang. Welcome to the channel. As you've seen from my previous upload, my road trip from Mombasa to Malindi, I'm super excited to be here in Malindi and explore Malindi. Malindi is widely known for various tourist attractions, and from my channel you'll be able to learn so much on travel, culture, cuisine, history. On our first stop, we'll be visiting Falconry of Kenya. This place has various variety of birds, so I'm super excited to check out the place, and I'm told that one can have an eagle land on their arms. Let's go in and explore what Falconry of Kenya has. It's open daily, that is between 9 a.m. all the way to 5:30 p.m. Let's go in and check out what's in the Falconry. Wow, I am touching a baby tortoise. It's actually 127 years old. It's a baby tortoise, and a tortoise eats, I'm told it eats all types of vegetables and also it eats bananas. Wow, and the shell is quite mumu. I have seen 3 crocodiles. One of them is an albino. You can be able to differentiate the normal crocodile from an albino because the albinos have yellowish type of skins, and they open their mouth wide open for cooling purposes. And I'm told crocodiles come out on land during the day, and in the evening they get back into the water. Yeah. Interesting facts. A monitor lizard stays here, but for now we are not able to see because it has hidden among the rocks. The skin is camouflaged with how the rocks look, so we are not able to see it now, but a monitor lizard is here. Hopefully when you come back you'll be able to see it. Guys, this is a black mamba. Oh my god, the skin has some colors of black, and out here it's highly venomous, and I'm told once it beats you, you can become paralyzed, and it eats small rodents and birds. Whew. When cobra venom hits your eyes, you become blind. Whew. This is a sand snake. It's semi-venomous. When it bites you, it can either release its poison into your body or it does not, so it's 50-50. This is a spotted bush snake and it's not venomous. This is a male sand snake. The one that we saw was a female sand snake. Ruffed beaked snake. Or ruffed beaked snake. This is semi-venomous. This is a python. It's non-venomous. It's quite huge. Wow. This one eats a whole goat. Oh yeah, it constricts them, suffocating them and crushing their bones. This is an egg-eater snake.
And it feeds on eggs. It doesn't have fangs.
It doesn't have fangs, yes. So it will not bite me.
Yes.
Are you sure? No, don't leave it. Just touch it, then I touch it. Oh my god! This is a what type of snake?
Egg.
This is an egg eater.
Oh.
Wow, this is, oh my god, I'm holding a snake. It's quite slimy. This is a pafada. Tell us more about a pafada.
safari is the one of most dangerous snake in Africa.
Oh, most dangerous snake in Africa.
Yeah. So it's great with the venom. They use this whole way to transfer the venom. Papa is a viviparous.
Okay.
They give birth to live younger ones. Other snakes are oviparous, lays eggs.
Oh.
Yeah.
Snakes are cannibals. They eat each other. Also, they eat human beings. That's why these snakes, you see, they've been put in boxes with the covering of glass so that, you know, they don't break free. So, guys, if you see a snake, run for your life. Interesting thing about the owls is that you can tell which one is male, which one is female. A male one is quite bigger and its feathers are more colorful as compared to the female. Sorry, the female ones are quite bigger and they are not as colorful as the male, but the male ones are small and colorful. So it looks like most, even with the animals and the birds, the male ones are more beautiful. They have more brighter feathers or, you know, brighter colors. I'm just having a conversation with Harrier hawk. It looks so beautiful. I love its feathers, black, white and gray. Oh, this is so awesome. Guys, you need to come to Falconry of Kenya here in Malindi and experience this a lovely afternoon with amazing, beautiful birds. Paulina, the owl, has graciously allowed me to sit next to her, and as you can see, she cannot see during the day, only at night. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, it's so nice. I'm so happy to, you know, interact with her, and she has beautiful eyelashes. I'm looking at some artifacts that are made in the shape of, for example, this is made in the shape of a tortoise. We have an elephant here and some Maasais. So also some elephants. So maybe you can drop down below. What do you like? Do you like elephants, or are you a fan of tortoise? The proceeds of these artifacts, they go back to the community in support of this facility. So I think for me, I'm going to get a tortoise. Oh, so cute. Wow, I have had a fantastic time here at Falconry of Kenya. I've really interacted with wildlife here, especially the eagles. I've really enjoyed myself just feeding them and watching them fly up in the sky. So when you come to this place, you'll be able to learn so much about the different types of birds here. You'll be able to learn about the crocodiles, the tortoise, and even the snakes. As you saw earlier on, I was able to hold a snake for the first time in my life. Oh my god, that was awesome. I've really had a fantastic time here at Falconry. I would really recommend you to come to this particular place and support. It's private and it's run by the community. The best part of it all is the guides. they really take time to explain to you about what is it, about the different animals that are here. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I have. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, push the bell notification on so that you do not miss any upload. Right now I'm heading to another tourist attractions. Bye bye and see you in the next one. Mwah.